AI prioritization is often treated like as a technical exercise, but in practice, it's a business decision. The real question is not what can AI do, it's where would applying AI change outcomes that actually matter for our business. Now, answering that requires understanding, an understanding of how work flows through the business, where coordination and delay occur, where effort accumulates without improving outcomes, and which constraints really matter. A prioritization framework that starts with the AI tools will usually miss these factors. A framework that starts with operations is far more likely to identify sensible starting points. Once workflows are visible, the next step is in identifying friction. Friction isn't failure, it's just where work slows down, repeats, or requires unnecessary coordination, and it's basically inefficient. Common examples include repeated clarification emails, manual follow-ups to keep work moving, duplicated data entry, waiting for approvals or information. Focusing on friction avoids blame-oriented thinking. It shifts the discussion from what's broken to where does effort accumulate without adding proportional value. AI opportunities that reduce friction tend to be easier to justify and easier to stabilize. So how do you go about choosing the first deployment? Well, the first deployment obviously will set expectations. So it's usually should be narrow in scope, easy to observe and to measure and to see the impact, and reversible if needed. It should allow the business to learn how AI behaves in their environment, how staff interact with AI-assisted outputs, how exceptions arise, and how governance needs to work in practice. The learning gained from the first deployment is often more valuable than the immediate efficiency gain.